What is NEAT, and is it something I can partake in? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Katrina Mattingly. I'm the Chief Medical Officer here at Options Medical Weight Loss. Now NEAT stands for Non-Exercise Activity Thermogenesis. It's the activity that we do and the calories that we expend and the energy that we expend when we're not eating, sleeping, or intentionally exercising. Some examples of NEAT are that you're sitting at your desk and you're just kind of fidgeting, you're trying to get comfortable. Maybe you've got a crick in your neck and your back and you're moving your head or rubbing your back. It's the activity when you're tapping your feet at your desk or any kind of nervous energy. Some ways to increase NEAT if you're rather sedentary at home is to get up and go talk to your coworkers instead of sending that internal message or instead of calling. Maybe you're that person that's like, I don't really have a lot of time to go to the gym and slug it out for 30 or 60 minutes, so how can I increase my movement and expend these extra calories? Some people have little walking treadmills or standing desk at their office that also help to burn extra calories. Taking the stairs is an age-old one. Getting up and just taking a break. I know a lot of people have smartphones now and smartwatches that will kind of prompt you and tell you when it's time to get up and move. At home, maybe you're just watching some TV, getting on the floor, doing some stretches, fluffing your pillows, vacuuming the floor, making your bed. All these are very, very simple ways to increase your NEAT. So you can burn up to 350, 750 extra calories a day, just depending on how active you are just in moving throughout your daily activities. Now, the reason this is really important is because just at 100 calories per day can help you to keep off an extra 10 pounds per year, or can help you to lose an additional 10 pounds per year if you add on NEAT to your existing regimen. So this is really important not only for weight loss, but also weight maintenance when you're not really intentionally involved in anything vigorous at the gym or outside or in your neighborhood. It would take literally dozens of 30 or 60-minute cardio sessions to add up to the amount of NEAT that you can just get that adds up throughout each day and throughout the weeks. So just know, if you're that person that's not really a gym buff or you've got some hard times finding that time to get in and get up and move, there are small things that you can do throughout the day that probably don't take a lot of effort to increase those extra calories burned and that extra energy expended. That'll definitely help you to lose weight and help you to keep it off. If you're interested in learning more tips on how to increase your NEAT or on how to lose weight, then please click the link below for a free consultation at Options, because at Options, we have options for everybody.
Did you like this video? Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also visit our website using the link below to schedule a free consultation with us. We have options for everybody,